Love excels all on the spot. Just got a simple time saving tip for you here in Ableton. This is, a lot of times I find myself working where I'm kind of editing a sound, doing something musically or whatever, and then I need to go back and edit my sequence, maybe change a note or something, and then I need to go back to my instrument. And we all know that we can double click up here and double click on the sequence to get there, or we can click here to get to the instrument and here to get to the sequence. But there's another way that's a lot simpler, and it's Shift, hit Tab, and you can swap quickly between them. For more tips, follow us on Instagram, Ableton Mastery, or you can find my personal channel, Love Excels All, on YouTube and TikTok mostly. I do post on Instagram, but it's a lot of political or black everything kind of stuff for the struggle, baby. We gotta fight that systemic racism. Um, so yeah, but I hope this helped you. Peace and love. We're gonna see some happiness.